Okay, so now that we went over a couple more simpler examples, let's come back and start putting some of these rules together. So if I wanted to find the derivative of f of x here, what I would say is f prime, the derivative of f, would be equal to the power 2 comes up and multiplies with the 6, so it'd be 12x to the first power. You don't need the 1 there anymore. And then the derivative of the constant disappears. So this derivative would simply be 12x. On part B here, I have this equation g of x, but I'm going to simplify this. The first thing I'm going to do is distribute here. So I'm going to say this is 2x cubed times 5x, so that's going to be 10x to the fourth power. There's 3 powers, there's another power. So when I multiply, you add them up. And then 2x cubed times a negative 3 is going to be a negative 6x to the third power. That's our g of x equation. So if I wanted to find g prime, take the power of 4, multiply it with the 10. So I get 40x, subtract a power to the third, minus 3 multiplies with the 6 and becomes 18. Again, subtract a power, so 3 becomes a power of 2. That's my derivative here with respect to x. And here's part C. On this one, notice that we're working with the division. We could use some algebra rules though to simplify the function h. We can notice that in the numerator, each term has a value of x, so I could do a greatest common factor and divide out that power of x that there is shared all the way across, and so I'm left with 3x squared minus 2x plus 1, because x divided by x is 1. All this divided by x. When I simplify, those disappear, which means I could have written h of x as being equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. So what does that mean for my derivative? That means the derivative of h, here you would take your 2, multiply, and you would have 6x, subtract a power, that'd be to the first. Here, this is the power of 1, so it'd be negative 2. The x would disappear because it'd be x to the 0 power. Constant goes away. Here is my derivative. And here's one for you to try. Pause the video if you need more time.